Safari Park. Woo! Here you can find the elephants who can ride you around the park. Also you can see the snake charmer, monkey shows. You can hold the tiger and leopard and feed them. And also you can see one of the scariest show probably I've ever seen with crocodiles. It's pretty amazing. So guys, make sure it's going to be one of your main stops here on the island, Koh Samui.
Ooh, yeah, Safari Park, there we go.
This is a baby elephant and his name is Ton Kun. So make sure guys, when you come to Koh Samui, you have to ride an elephant. So guys, before you ride your elephant, I suggest you to wash it. Just like that. Look at this baby.
This is just like washing Andy. My big belly.
No difference at all, huh?
You're gonna put water on you.
Place right now.
Now we're ready to take our taxi. This is how we travel in Koh Samui. Oh, and it's tough with a skirt. Is your first time on an elephant, Jenya?
Yes, it is first.
Oh, it is bumpy up here.
That's cool.
We're here with Sinin, and he's taking us around the safari park. This is up in the jungle in Thailand, Koh Samui. The funny thing is Bangkok, which is just like New York, elephants walk around in the middle of the traffic.
Oh my God.
So you'll have a whole traffic jam and there's an elephant. Where's the champagne up here? We need something. Oh, where's the monkey? It's hard to be a lady up here. We're working the elephant.
Working the elephant, that's right. That's the name.
It was great.
I think I'm still shaking.
I think we got a little drunk up there off of the ride. Usually they go up into the mountains and they go down the river, and it's more of a 20-minute ride and you can be in the forest. So come and check it out here at the elephant tracking at Namuang Waterfalls.